Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden, here to take you through today's market action. Markets recovered from last Friday's selling to finish the week higher despite seeing elevated volatility. The Nasdaq and Russell both closed about 2.5% higher. The S&P added 1 3/4. The Dow tacked on 1.5%. All 11 sectors saw green shoots as well. Communications was the big standout, rallying 2.6%. Real estate added 3.4%, while tech closed more than 2% higher. And something else to note, gold's record run. Futures climbed from 4,000 on Monday to almost 4,400 on Friday before pulling back and closing the week more than 5% higher. This week's volatility was sparked by reignited trade tensions between the U.S. and China. On Monday, President Trump downplayed adding 100% additional tariffs to China. Then on Tuesday, China said it will add sanctions against U.S. units of Hanwha Ocean, a major shipping line that exchanges global goods. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent later called on the World Bank to end support for China. Then on Friday, Trump said the additional tariffs he threatened against China are unsustainable. He still plans to meet with Chinese President Xi Jinping at the end of the month. And big banks brought confidence to the start of earnings season. JPMorgan Chase saw its revenue jump to $47 billion on its earnings, while investment banking giant Goldman Sachs also posted a strong beat. Both still closed lower on the week, though. Citigroup rallied off of a strong showing in deal-making and trading revenue, while Wells Fargo jumped after raising targets for returns on common equity. They rallied 3.3% and 7.3%, respectively. It was a different story for regional banks, though, which sold off more than 6% on Thursday after Zions Bancorp said it will take a $50 million charge in the third quarter. Two of the company's commercial and industrial loans showed, quote, apparent misrepresentations and contractual defaults. Regional banks saw 1.6% rebound rally, though, on Friday. And next Friday's pending CPI print will draw all eyes to the inflation picture as the government remains shut down. On the earnings front, some big names, Tesla, IBM, Netflix, Intel, will likely take up a lot of the attention. You can also watch for reports from GE Aerospace, GE Vernova, Texas Instruments, General Motors, and American Airlines. Well, that'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden. Remember, you can tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.